name is Broadway. I live here in the outskirts of New York City. Well, I mean to say what was New York City. Before the wars, of course. What's my occupation, you ask? Well, surviving is my main interest. Most people these days are going into that field. Just finding enough food is a job. Other than that, there's not much else to do, so I have fun. I like to watch what's going on. Sort of a post-apocalypse social observer. And occasionally, when provoked, I kick some tail. Well, there's not much more to it when a world wipes out 95% of its population and melts down most of its major cities. Which brings me to the main part of my story. Of the many gangs around the city, Achilles was one of the smallest, and it was one of the best. Other gangs would constantly challenge them. Whoever won the fight would get a day's supply of food. Achilles' gang never really lost.
Hey Achilles, you know what? I've been doing 300 push-ups a day since last time. One hand! One!
So what?
You're gonna buy the farm!
Hey, look, you call this out. You're gonna fight, you're gonna lift yourself to death.
Let's go to the city. No. I heard they got guns in them. It's a rumor. What? Besides, all the good kids are in the city. You get into a fight with one of those guys, you hit him, and all this radioactive crap comes back all over your hands. You hit him hard enough, and their whole goddamn face will come off on your arm. You're not going into the city. The end. Maybe yours.
Yeah, they were doing pretty good until that day. Oh, about a month after they let some girl into their clique. She was supposed to be at their place when they got back from the fight. But dogs?
Are you alright? Yeah, I'll live. Go check inside, see if anything's missing, huh?
Yeah. Lousy gookhead. Hey, the girl's gone. I knew that frail couldn't be trusted. Nah. She wouldn't run. I guess I'm gonna have to go see Broadway. Yep, he was gonna have to go see me.
Broadway! 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 I've got to talk to you! You called?
Yeah, I need some info, bad. You need info. Well, you see, it's like this. I observe. I don't participate. I don't assist any players.
But you saw what happened.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Who took the girl?
You know you can't beat me.
Where's the girl?
The city. Slugs gang. They took her.
Well, Achilles played the game by my rules and he, beat me. I respect that. Doesn't mean I like it, but I respect it. Anyway, Achilles and Ghost set off to the city to find the missing woman, leaving TH to guard the camp. Neither of them had ever been to the city before, but they'd heard stories of the so-called gook-heads, the radioactive remains of the briefcase crowd that used to work in the city. Actually, they didn't know what the hell was going on.
Ghost. 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 Ghost.
Your friend's dead, dead. No. I'm gonna die. More praise on us, guys. Look behind you. You're gonna die. What's he doing? No, there he is! Yeah! Now! Right now! Hey, I got him over here! Over here! Get him! Rush him! Now, get him! pull the slug. You looking for me? Where's the girl? You'll never see her again. I'll end your life.
Right here. See, I told you there were guns in the city. You told me I could beat him. Shut up! We had a deal. I found a whole load of bullets, too. What? Let her go! Uh-huh. We're gonna keep her. Go!
I give orders now! Make a move and I blow her face off. Who knows? We may have to kill her anyway. Now, where should I shoot you first?
No!
As Achilles ran to help Jennifer, he didn't see that TH was still going. Blinded by concern, he made a fatal mistake. One, of course, that I would never make. But this time he was lucky. I was around. Like I said, I respected him.
Sure you won't come with us?
I don't think so. Hey, why not?
Yeah, it's too much fun right here. Good luck with finding civilization.
Take care.
Yeah, I didn't really want to go with them, did I? Nah. So I changed my mind.
Going my way?
So, there ends my story. But is it really over? Is any story told ever really over? A man's life is composed of many events, and even death itself is a beginning. But that's off the track. Actually, what we did was we left New York to find civilization to help rebuild somewhere. Who knows what we would find?